YouTube channel. This is the first my YouTube video. So from that, I need support from all of you. Before watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I made this video in order to complete my final project in the English courses. Previously, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Yahdiniinsyi from Faculty of Medicine and Healthy Science majoring in Pharmacy. So, here I will present something related to pharmacy, and the topic I will discuss are biotechnology application of biotechnology in vaccine. Okay, biotechnology is a branch of science that utilizes living things, bacteria, viruses, etc. in the process of producing goods and services that humans can later use. Whereas in modern terms, biotechnology is the use of biological agents or their parts that have been engineered in artificial equipment to produce goods and services on an industrial scale. The application of biotechnology is very important in various fields, one of which is in the pharmaceutical field, namely the presence of antibiotics, streptomycin, cephalosporins, and the last amino acids. The term biotechnology was only introduced in 1917 by Carl Ehrlich. Biotechnology also opens new horizons in the pharmaceutical field, for example, in the manufacturing of vaccines. Well, in the process of making this vaccine, it begins with treating the tissue in accordance with proteolytic enzymes, for example, trypsin, to separate cells. Then the cells are transferred to certain nutrients for the cells to the bottom of the container. This cell will divide by mitosis to form one layer of cells. These cells can be used to form secondary culture in order for the culture cell to continue to divide. Chemicals or viruses are added that promote the formation of cancer cells. These cells are cancer neoplastic. Well, among the application of animal cell culture, the production of a viral vaccine is the old method. In this picture, we can see the stage of making the vaccine. Making a vaccine using biotechnology also has functions such as the vaccine is used to protect or prevent the body from developing disease. Can come from weakened microorganisms, virus, bacteria, or toxins produced by these microorganisms. However, this conventionally produced vaccine can also cause adverse side effects. The manufacture of this type of vaccine is not through genetic engineering. For example, the microorganisms used to make the vaccine may still cause reproduction. In the development of genetic engineering technique, various undesirable risks as above can be reduced. The principle of genetic engineering in vaccine production are isolating or separating the genes from disease-causing organisms that play a role in producing antigens that stimulate lymphocytes to produce antibodies and extract antigens which are then used as vaccine. Genetic engineering not only gives help in providing protection against disease the conventional vaccine cannot fight, but also means providing a safer version of the vaccine. The viruses itself will not be used in the manufacturing of this new vaccine, but only the protein made by bacteria, thereby eliminating the risk of vaccine contamination by an active virus. This pollution even is now very rare, but a producer that is still quite expensive and time consuming is required to ensure that the contamination will not occur. Well, the vaccine also has various types, some of which are polio vaccine, measles vaccine, flu vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine, Fentabio vaccine, etc. Finally, we discuss what are the negative impact of using biotechnology. Okay, first, damage to ecosystem that harms other predators. Second, plants become student so they are not able to produce harvest. Third, infertility in animals. Fourth, risk of extinction. And the last, the composer experience death. These things happen because the use of biotechnology does make use of living things or the use of biotechnology agents or their parts that have been engineered in vitro or in artificial equipment.